Hello and welcome back to my channel. Well done, easy to weld. Guys, today we're going to do some really good project. I'm going to do some really good project for you and for my friend and for myself. I'm going to build up two welding tables. One is 1.5 by 1 meter. That is for my friend Vishan is helping with my CNC project. Thank you very much for supporting me and helping me. He's helping me, guys, a lot. He's a really good guy. So I need to help him, of course, with this stuff. I'm going to point it, weld it, everything, get it straight. That is for myself. That is 2 meters by 1 meter. The holes are size 20, diameter 20. The thickness of the table is 50 millimeters, and then I think so this will be not done during one video. So one video will be preparing, grinding, putting together, pointing. Second video will be welding those two tables, or maybe one of them, then making the legs, mounting the legs. He wants the legs on a wheel so he can move the table around his workshop. And I will have two different lengths, one short and one the longest. I prefer the welding table which one is really down as this one. This is something about 40 centimeters. I think so this is the best welding table. So actually we're going to make it copy of this welding table. Oh my goodness. So hopefully you see it's not straight. So all bended parts outside. When we will put the ribs from inside, then we will bring this side completely. We will bring this side completely straight. As you see, is matching the corner, and here is bigger gap biggest, and then it's coming back. So it's not straight. That is normal after a laser cutting or plasma cutting, wherever, even jet cutting, because it's releasing the force which one is in the material, and most of the time it's bending to the side where you start to heat up, or when you start to cutting off the pieces. So that will be really nice welding table for my friend. I guess it's 1.5 by 0.8 meter, and my table will be 2 meter by 1 meter. So if you would like to see how I will finish these tables and the clamps and the rest of the stuff for the welding tables, then just follow me, subscribe, like, share, and come back to see the other videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy, and see you next time. Bye bye.